Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. Thank you so much for joining me today. Where the heck am I again? Boca Raton, Florida. I love South Florida. I'm here quite a bit. I want to tell you, you're thinking about real estate investing, you're telling me, Joe, my market's pretty tough. I can't find any deals. So what do I want to ask you? What the heck are you doing to find deals in your area? Everybody's probably looking on the MLS, everybody's talking to realtors, everybody's trying to find things that are on the market. But this is what's key. You need to find deals that are off market. You need to find deals that are unlisted. What is one really good way of doing that? My opinion, talk to property managers in your area. Ask them if any of the owners are looking at potentially selling their properties, and you may get a property manager that says, heck, my owners, they not only want to sell, they don't really want to sell, they're actually looking at trying to buy properties. So you might be looking for some off-market properties, you may even find a buyer. But this is what I would tell you. The key for you to continue to get deal flow, to continue to get deals, you need to do things that other people in your area aren't doing. Contacting property managers might just be one of the ways to help you. So go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.